Experiencing GPS inaccuracies with your Garmin watch? You're not alone. Many users report discrepancies between recorded and actual distances or routes. This section explains why these errors occur, from signal obstructions to hardware limitations. We'll clarify the common accuracy range of Garmin watches, typically 5 to 15 meters, and address concerns raised in user forums and even recent class action lawsuits regarding misleading accuracy claims. Several factors can impact your Garmin's GPS accuracy. The first is signal obstructions. Buildings and dense forests can weaken satellite signals, making positioning less precise. Second, battery-saving modes like UltraTrack reduce GPS polling frequency. This can cause track jumps, where your recorded path appears to skip or jump unexpectedly. Third, the watch's antenna design plays a role. Different antenna materials and shapes can affect how well the watch receives GPS signals. Finally, elevation data relies on barometric altimeters rather than pure GPS. These can be inaccurate in hilly or changing weather conditions. Understanding these factors is the first step to improving accuracy. Garmin actively addresses GPS accuracy complaints through firmware updates and advancements in GNSS technology. The latest Phoenix 8 series, released in late 2025, boasts advanced multi-constellation GNSS support, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou for improved positioning. Key firmware updates like V10.0 incorporate AI-driven signal processing to reduce drift errors by up to 40%. These updates work by employing Kalman filtering algorithms and AI to smooth GPS data, mitigating multipath errors and improving accuracy in real time. This means better performance for users, with reduced positioning errors in challenging environments and more reliable tracking during activities. Let's tackle some quick fixes you can implement right away to improve GPS accuracy on your Garmin watch. First, ensure you've enabled all available GNSS constellations in your watch's settings. This includes GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou systems working together to provide more accurate positioning, especially in challenging environments. Second, perform a GPS reset through your watch's menu. This clears any cached satellite data that might be causing drift or inaccurate positioning, forcing the watch to reacquire signals from scratch. Third, keep your firmware updated via the Garmin Connect app. Garmin regularly releases updates that address GPS issues, improve signal processing, and enhance overall accuracy performance. Fourth, calibrate the sensor in an open area with a clear view of the sky. This establishes a baseline for GPS accuracy and helps the watch account for local environmental factors. Implementing these quick fixes, enabling GNSS constellations, performing GPS resets, updating firmware, and calibrating sensors, can significantly improve your Garmin watch's GPS accuracy by optimizing satellite reception and sensor performance. For persistent GPS accuracy issues, advanced techniques like hybrid positioning can help. This method integrates your Garmin watch's GPS with your smartphone's cellular data, providing more reliable location information in areas with weak satellite signals. Another advanced technique is using Wi-Fi connections for IP-based positioning. When indoors or in signal-denied environments, your watch can connect to available Wi-Fi networks to determine your location through Internet Protocol addressing, acting as an effective backup to GPS. Different environments pose unique challenges for GPS accuracy. In urban canyons with tall skyscrapers, signal interference can cause position errors up to 100 meters. To troubleshoot urban canyons, enable hybrid positioning mode that combines GPS with your smartphone's cellular and Wi-Fi data for more reliable location tracking. In dense forests or deep canyons, GPS signals can weaken and cause position drifts due to tree canopy interference and limited satellite visibility. For hiking scenarios, look for terrain-aware algorithms in beta firmware versions, which use elevation data and motion patterns to reduce positioning errors in challenging outdoor environments. Real-world case studies demonstrate Garmin GPS challenges and solutions. In the 2025 Boston Marathon, a Forerunner 965 user faced 50-meter position jumps during the race, leading to inaccurate pace calculations. A post-firmware update improved accuracy to within 5 meters. In Yosemite 2026, a group using Venu 3 watches experienced 200-meter drifts in canyons, resulting in a search and rescue situation. Garmin responded with a beta firmware fix using terrain-aware algorithms, reducing errors by 60% in similar environments. Urban commuters in New York City with Forerunner 255 watches reported inaccuracies up to 100 meters due to skyscraper interference. Switching to hybrid mode, combining GPS with phone data, resolved the issue. These real-world examples highlight the importance of firmware updates and hybrid positioning in evolving Garmin's GPS technology for better accuracy across various scenarios. The future of Garmin GPS accuracy looks promising, with several exciting developments on the horizon. By 2026, hybrid positioning will become more advanced, combining GPS with cellular networks, Wi-Fi signals, and inertial sensors for dead reckoning in areas without satellite signals. Wearable AI, through partnerships like Garmin's collaboration with XAI, will learn individual user movement patterns to automatically correct GPS anomalies and improve accuracy. Quantum-resistant GPS chips are expected by 2027-2028, designed to counter signal jamming threats and potentially reduce positioning errors by half. While sub-meter accuracy for everyday watches remains years away until around 2030, Garmin is actively investing in L5 frequency technology and other innovations to achieve centimeter-level precision in the future.